Okay, time to start my thesis today. Okay, I have the book my professor gave me, so which page does he say I need? Okay. 210. Okay, let's go there. Almost 206. 8. 10. All right. Let's see. What do we have here? Studies about drug addiction? Why did he give me this topic? Well, I won't question it. Okay, they're actually a lot. Okay, here. But why alcohol addiction specifically? Well, I shouldn't care. Okay, then let's start. I need to open a new text document. Okay. Then okay. Okay, this is a fact I didn't know. Yeah. Yeah, okay. This is not much what this book says, sadly. Even though it is specifically a biology book. Shouldn't it have more information? But okay, I guess if I cover all of those informations in here, I would just look up online. Okay, what else? Huh? Yes? Oh, hey, sweetie. What is it? Just doing my thesis. You know, it needs to be done in 2 months. Yeah, in 2 months is the deadline. Then it needs to be done. The topic? Oh, it is about drug addiction. Yeah. I don't know why my professor gave me this topic, especially he gave me the main topic, alcohol addiction. I have no idea why. I mean, okay, we are quite close at least a bit. At least he's helping me from time to time with my theses. He also told me how I should build the structure in my theses, and he said a good thesis which gives a good grade should be at least 10 pages. He said 10 to 15 pages. And yeah, 10 pages is not that much. So it's not a big problem for me to fill these. It's just, it's more of a problem to find proper information. I mean, he gave me a biology book, which says quite a lot about alcohol addiction, but I have the feeling there needs to be more to it. Yeah, I guess I will need to look it up on the internet later. Huh? What did you say? No, I won't pull an all-nighter tonight. Don't worry. Yes, I will come to bed. Just give me 10 more minutes to at least finish the book. You miss me? Aw, baby, I miss you too. But I told you, these studies are important for my job. You know I cannot talk. Yeah, I know you think it's cute, but I think sometimes it's pretty annoying that I just keep stuttering. Stuttering, I'm sorry. I told you I cannot speak. I don't know English. I know you'll actually enjoy to have a German girlfriend, but you know, as English is not my mother language, it is kind of difficult to constantly speak it. Because sometimes I cannot remember a word, and then I need to ask, or I need to Google it, and it's a bit annoying. But I should know. I should concentrate on my theses. Stop distracting me. Huh? Yes, I will be fine. Don't worry. Like I said, I will just finish the information of this book and then I'll come to bed, okay? Yeah, I know. It's almost 1 a.m. I promise. Only 10 minutes, then I will be with you. You really want to make sure I don't pull an all-nighter? Fine. You can stay with me. Where was I now? guess this is not quite important. I guess this is better. Okay. Okay. You're getting tired, I know. Yes, I'm also a bit tired, but I at least want to get it done. Oh, stop giving me those puppy eyes. You know I cannot resist. Fine. I will come with you. I just need to go to the bathroom and get myself ready. You can already go to bed and wait for me. I promise I won't take long. I just need to change my clothes and brush my teeth. It won't take long, only like 2 to 5 minutes. Don't worry. You need proof? Fine, I will close my book for you. Save my notes. And close the document. There we go. Now I'm ready to bed. Yeah. See you in a few minutes.